Welcome to Insight Global 365. Today, we will explore a surprising and interesting story. Can billionaire Elon Musk, who is holding the technology of the future, play a key role in easing the tense relationship between the US and China? What's special is that his secret weapon, this time, is not technology, but a very special character. Are you curious about who they are and what they will do? Don't miss this video and remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on fascinating stories about the world of billionaires and global politics. Elon Musk, the world's leading technology billionaire, is not only famous for Tesla or SpaceX but also attracts attention for his close relationship with former President Donald Trump and his growing influence in US politics. With the transition of power in Washington, Musk is expected to play an important role in promoting the US-China relationship, which is in a tense state. Although his specific strategy is not clear, Musk is seen as a factor that can open up opportunities for economic and diplomatic cooperation, especially thanks to his global vision and extensive network of relationships. His technological background, Tesla's presence in China, and his decisive leadership style make him a potential bridge between the two superpowers. While Elon Musk is the one who attracts the attention of the international community, his mother, Maye Musk, is a surprising and important factor in his diplomatic strategy. Maye is not only a beauty icon and a success at the age of 76, but also a person who builds good relations with China through promotional activities and cultural exchanges, regularly participating in major events in this country. From fashion shows to book signings, she has built her image as an unofficial cultural ambassador. This not only strengthens the Musk family image but also creates a favorable foundation for Elon Musk's business activities in China. With the appeal of both Maye as an individual and the values she represents, her role is considered by many to be a secret weapon to help promote US-China relations in a positive direction. Maye Musk has become a familiar face to the Chinese public, not only because she is Elon Musk's mother but also because of her outstanding personal achievements. She has been constantly participating in fashion events, advertising for major brands, and building an image of an independent, successful woman in her 70s. Her book, A Woman Makes a Plan, was translated into Chinese and quickly attracted great attention. Her positive spirit, willingness to overcome adversity, and independence have inspired millions of Chinese people, especially young women. Not only do they stop at admiration, her activities also bring practical value. When Tesla, Elon Musk's company, is operating strongly in China with its largest factory in Shanghai, the support of the Chinese public for Maye Musk has become a powerful complement to the economic and diplomatic strategies that Elon Musk is pursuing in this region. Maye Musk is not only famous for being the mother of billionaire Elon Musk, but also for her inspiring personal journey from an abused woman to a global success icon. She was born in Canada, grew up in South Africa, and has traveled the world to develop her career as a model, nutritionist, and author. Her journey of overcoming adversity, from escaping a painful marriage to raising 3 successful children, has created a powerful story of resilience and independence. Her book, A Woman Makes a Plan, is not only an autobiography but also contains valuable life lessons, especially appealing to young readers in China. She has become a role model for independent women who dare to step out of their comfort zone and overcome their own limits. This has created deep admiration among young Chinese people, especially millennials and Gen Z, who are always looking for role models to pursue independent and meaningful lives. Thanks to her multinational experience and cultural tolerance, Maye Musk has strongly connected with a large market, making her not only an inspirational individual but also an important cultural bridge between the US and China. Tesla has become one of the most prominent foreign brands in China, and this success cannot be mentioned without mentioning Elon Musk's role in taking advantage of this large market. Tesla's Shanghai factory, considered the company's largest production base, not only helps increase production capacity but also consolidates Tesla's strong presence in the electric car industry in China. This is a strategic move by Elon Musk to exploit the potential of the country with the highest demand for electric cars in the world. In addition, Elon Musk's frequent visits to China and Maye Musk's support have helped Tesla build a close and trustworthy brand image there. Maye Musk's social media posts about China's infrastructure development and images of Tesla cars on the streets of Shanghai have contributed to promoting the brand naturally and effectively. Tesla's success in China lies not only in sales figures but also in consumer acceptance and love. This is not only an economic opportunity but also an important political factor, helping Elon Musk strengthen his role in promoting US-China relations. With this foundation, Tesla has not only expanded its market share but also become a symbol of economic cooperation between the two powers. Maye Musk is the embodiment of resilience and the effort to overcome adversity. Born in Canada and raised in South Africa, she has faced many difficulties in her personal life. One of the major turning points in her life was leaving her abusive marriage to Elon Musk, Elon Musk's father. With a strong spirit, she became a world-famous supermodel and admired nutritionist. From a single mother of 3 children, she not only managed to keep her family stable but also supported her children to develop successful careers. Her story of overcoming adversity and building an independent career has become a great inspiration, especially for young women in China. She is praised as a role model of modern women, independent, self-reliant, and in control of her life. She went from being an abused mother to an international icon of success. This story, with a combination of perseverance and compassion, has helped her build love and respect, not only in the West but also in Asian countries. Maye Musk's story is not only inspiring but also opens the door for Elon Musk to build a solid foundation of cultural and economic relations between the US and China. However, recently, according to Business Insider, Elon Musk has publicly criticized charities, specifically targeting Mackenzie Scott, Jeff Bezos' ex-wife, for the way she allocates funding focused on social justice issues. Musk believes that these donations are politically biased and may not be truly effective in creating positive change. This view highlights Musk's attitude. He values transparency and concrete results in charitable activities, in contrast to Scott's decentralized approach. However, these criticisms have not gone unchallenged by the community and experts, many of whom believe that Musk tends to put personal interests above human values. His outspokenness and conservative views have created a controversial image, increasing skepticism about his role in social and political issues. With his enormous wealth and widespread influence, Elon Musk is reshaping the role of billionaires in American politics. More than just a successful businessman, Musk is seen as a unique phenomenon in Washington, thanks to 3 prominent factors: wealth, the ability to control the powerful media system, and interest in important government issues, such as spending and budget management. Musk's role goes beyond that of a typical tycoon, as he directly participates in debates on important bills. His statements on social media, often criticizing spending that he considers unreasonable, have put great pressure on lawmakers. This has led some Republican congressmen to appreciate and even recommend Musk for leadership roles, such as Speaker of the House. However, Musk's strong intervention has also been harshly criticized by Democrats, who believe that unelected billionaires like Musk should not have such a large influence on national policies. Elon Musk has become increasingly controversial for his involvement in American politics, especially since he has not formally held a leadership role in government. His statements and actions have raised questions about whether billionaires like Musk are abusing their power to advance their personal interests. Some Democratic lawmakers, including Senator Bernie Sanders, have criticized Musk for influencing major political decisions, such as congressional spending bills. They warn that allowing billionaires to run the government will lead to an imbalance of power and reduce faith in the democratic system. However, Musk still has support from many Republicans, who see him as someone who can expose waste and corruption in government. This reflects the divide in American politics, with Musk both a symbol of innovation and economic power and a focus of concerns about the erosion of democratic power due to the influence of corporations and wealthy individuals. Elon Musk's influence in American politics comes not only from his enormous wealth but also from his strategic vision and ability to use the media effectively. As the owner of large media platforms and millions of followers on social media, Musk has skillfully built an image of a socially responsible businessman, while not shying away from expressing his disagreement with what he sees as irrational policies. This has not only enhanced his status but also helped him become a voice on national issues, from government spending to technology direction. However, Musk's intervention in politics poses some challenges. Many are concerned that, with his financial power and influence, he could cause an imbalance in the democratic system, where the power of voters could be overshadowed by the power of tycoons. However, Musk's presence in politics has brought positive changes as he promotes transparency and criticizes wasteful spending. This shows that Musk is not just a businessman but also an important factor in the American political landscape. With his growing influence, Elon Musk is expected to continue to play an important role in shaping important policy decisions in the United States. He is not only a symbol of technology but also a special political phenomenon, a figure beyond the reach of critics thanks to his steadfastness and enduring strength. The question is whether Musk's influence will promote positive changes for society or become a challenge to the current political system. What do you think about Elon Musk's role in politics and international relations? Share your opinion in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow more interesting topics.